How to get the dark mode on Pinterest. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get the dark mode on Pinterest in easy and fast way. So let's go. The first thing we do is we go to Pinterest. As you can see, this is the homepage. It's in the white theme. It's not dark, but let's make it dark now. Now you click on your profile here down below. You go to your profile, and then click on those three dots here on the top. And after that, click on settings, and now click on account management. And after that, click on app theme. Now choose dark, and that's it. Your Pinterest will be on the dark mode, and it's actually so cool with the dark mode. And that's it for today's video. Please don't forget to like if this video was helpful.